Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video guys to any of you having a Porsche Cayenne. We're going to demonstrate guys where your oil pressure sensor is located, also known as oil pressure switch. Make sure to stay until the end guys. We'll share very helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars on Porsche Cayenne. Before we start, let me tell you, if you guys have one of those, we'll be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the garage here guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Something else, if you need to buy new oil pressure sensor, any parts or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So we have that Cayenne. It's a Cayenne S, so if you have an S, Turbo, 4.5, 4.8, most of them, the oil pressure sensor should be located there. What we're doing here, quite a bit of work, you know, they have a weak spot, the differentials, front differentials go out, they get really noisy, so that's what we're doing. It's quite a bit of a job. We did engine mount replacement, that's a weak spot as well. We had to drop the whole subframe, and in the meantime, okay, we'll be putting valve cover gaskets. It's leaking oil like nothing else. Okay, check out the oil leak, it's terrible. So we decided to show you where that oil pressure switch is located because many of you ask me. But if you have a Cayenne, guys, okay, check this channel out, Electrical Car Repair Live. We post our videos about fixing engine codes, diagnostic, fuses, relays, things like that on that channel, and you can find very helpful information that can save you so much money. So the oil pressure switch, you need to remove the engine splash shield to get to the oil filter. Okay, and if you come right here guys, okay, let me show you now. This is oil filter, this is the cooler, okay, and if you come right there, okay, that switch, okay, I'm trying, let's remove that lamp, that light, because I cannot see with it. Okay, I'm trying to focus. Okay, that switch right there on top, this is your oil pressure switch, as you can see guys, that device right there. Okay, I'm trying my best to focus. You can see this is it. So that's the one that detects how much oil pressure you have. If you don't have oil pressure, if you have oil light on, red oil light on, check that switch, it might be bad, and we have a video how to test one. So if you look at it from the top without a radiator fan and stuff like that, okay, it's right here. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you guys, okay, if you need help with anything on Porsche Cayenne or any car, leave a comment below. That's how we get ideas for our videos, and we'll try to make a video once we have a little bit of time, because as you know, we're making quite a few videos and just because we want to help you guys and save you money. Thank you for watching and see you next time.